cake today. You guys are special.
Who are you?
Who are you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Okay.
No? Well, anyway, you're watching Casual Girl, and I'm Corey, and this is Chad. And my beautiful daughter, Kira. Yay, she's here to join us this time because she's visiting home. But anyway, we got some lazy noodles for you guys to try. This is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! All right, you guys. And just one more thing. Oh, we got Daisy over there too, huh? Yeah. You guys, any of these type of noodles that you see, I think are great for backpacking. Any of the ones that you've already seen, any of the ones that are upcoming, these ones, they're so easy to cook. Everything is inside. As I've always showed you guys, they even come with a fork or even a chopstick. So, I think these would be great. But you know what? Enough of that blabbing. You ready to try them? I'm getting hungry. I'm ready for lunch.
Hungry? Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Well, we're going to show you how we cook them and taste them for you. All right, here we go. We'll be back.
How are we going to rate them?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. We do a 5-star. We do a 5-star rating. 1 star being 5-star being woo! Gotta go try them. Yeah. Yay! So you gotta give a star rating with us.
Okay.
Okay. So. Oh, look, see? Perfect. That's why they're perfect for camping. That's comes in there. These are, I don't know what these are. We're gonna find out. Oh, it says pea package. It's a pea package. How cute. Oh, look, yeah, see, it comes with chopsticks. You have to assemble the chopsticks. And here's the seasoning. There's the beautiful seasoning. And the noodles. And the noodles. So you're gonna just put everything in here. I'll show you. Keep a close eye. And you guys can add any type of meat you want to if you want anything. Whatever. But basically this is what you do. The noodles here. We're gonna cook the noodles first because Chad likes it dry. Alright, well anyway, we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is what's inside the package. Okay, this one's different a little bit. This is a soy sauce. This one had a pea package. These are bean sprouts. And there was some little chili stuff right there in noodles. You just put everything in there. And this one has soy sauce. This one might be a little bit spicy. This is a chili oil with sesame seeds in them. There's another pea package. Cute little pea package. And this looks like it'll be bean sprouts as well. And like I said, you can add any type of meat you want in here. And it comes with chopsticks. See? You just would... you just have to assemble them. Very easy. You got your own little... cute little choppy sticks. Hello. That's all you do. You just put everything in here. If you want to add your meat now. You're going to boil your water. And enjoy. And we'll get to that here in just a minute, okay? But this is, we're going to show you. Right there. Add the little peas. Little peas. Add the bean sprouts. Yep, bean sprouts. This is the soy sauce. This is the chili sauce. It all comes separate, so if you don't want any of this or you want less of it or whatever, just add it how you want it. If you don't like it too spicy, then don't add it too spicy. But mommy's mean. We had it all. Alright, you guys. Well, we're going to boil the water here. And look, see? You guys always that are backpacking or whatever, you have your small one that you always carry in your backpack anyway. You got a water bottle. You got your little cup that comes with this little small one. This is just big because we're home, and this is for us when we go camping, so that's what we're going to use. But see, it would make a good, perfect little camping backpacking trip thing. I think it's really cool. I like the idea. All that good stuff. use the bigger pot because we're going to need more water. Probably going to have to do it twice, one each, as we struggle. Getting that out. And let's just lock that. There. Pour the water in. Anyway, so the wind don't blow it over. Alright, well we're going to boil this water up and we'll show you and pour it in here and let it all sit. We'll be back in a little bit. Ooh, smells good.
Ooh, strong smell.
Mm-hmm.
I can smell it from here.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm back here.
Gotta let them sit just a little longer. Okay. All right. So we got this lazy noodle done. This is the Szechuan green pepper flavor. And by the way, I didn't realize that this was back here, but there are instructions. Different ways actually you can cook these type of noodles if you don't like them like in sauce or juice or anything like that. So you can do that. You got different ways. You can like stir fry them, pan fry them, or whatever you want to do. However you want. Okay, the wind. But anyway, let's enjoy them. You don't want juice.
No, thank you.
He's juiceless boy.
Yeah.
You gotta try everything.
Alright. Okay. There's that one. We're gonna try this one. Alright, you guys ready? Gotta do cheers.
Okay.
Pour. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, Lefty. I like this one. A little bit of a ting. Okay, kind of a lot of a ting. That one's actually spicy. I didn't think it would be too spicy, but it's spicy.
It isn't too bad.
Nice green pepper taste.
If this is spicy, then uh-oh.
A little pea pod. Little crunch on the pea.
Hey, get back here.
Like the green beans in there.
Can we get a little pea?
Did you?
No.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah. No crunch.
I like this one.
Got more of a sour flavor.
It does have a green, like from the probably the green pepper.
Yeah.
Does give it a little bit of sourness, huh? Okay. That's spicy.
Okay.
Well. Anyway, your star rating.
Okay.
Yep. Woo!
I think. How about a 4-star?
A 4-star.
I think it's a 4. A solid 4.
Wrong pipe. A solid 4 for me too. I do like the noodles though.
The noodles are good.
Nice and fresh noodles. Alright, well, anyway, we're going to be right back. We're going to try the other one here in just a minute. Alright. Oh, you know what? Roasted red pepper smell in this one. The noodles looks nice and done with the little bean sprouts in there and the chili, or the peas. Okay.
Peas.
Peas. Please.
Ooh, get to smell that one.
Yep.
How about no juice on this one?
No juice on this one? Okay.
I'm or scared. A little bit.
That's alright. Okay.
A pea.
Okay.
Oh, a pea. Okay. Cheers. Oh.
Oh no.
Run away, pea!
Slippery. Okay. They're a bit slippery.
Okay.
Cheers.
Anyway. Cheers.
Ready.
Cheers. Mm.
Better than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
It was gonna be.
I thought it was going to be super spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's not that spicy, not yet. I don't know if it's one of those kind of gets spicier as it kicks in. Yeah.
Did you like later?
I really enjoyed the crunchiness of the pea.
They are
But
all
they're odd because they're dried. They've been dried.
That's true.
That's why they're like that.
Could probably rehydrate
The
them.
crunch reminds me of like a wasabi pea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
They're basically
Ooh.
wasabi pea, but without the wasabi.
Wasabi. I smell another video coming along. Wasabi peas. Mmm. I might have to try that one now. Good one there, buddy boy. I like the freshness of the noodles. They taste really good. You let them sit for like, I think it was like 3 to 5 minutes. And they're done just right with a little bit of bean sprouts in there. You guys, these are delicious.
This one's honestly not any spicier than the green one.
Not really. No, I think
feel like
this one's
it's
really good.
Less spicy.
Yeah.
Might be. So anyway, what's your star rating, Chad?
Because these ones are less spicy. I take 4.5.
4.5. All right.
That's what
Kira?
I was gonna say, about 4.5.
4.5.
4.5.
I'm actually, honestly, gonna go a 5. Woo! I like this one a lot. This one's really good. I really just always enjoy really fresh noodles. I think it's good.
It was oddly not as spicy as the green one.
Yeah.
It sits a little longer. Like, I can feel it on my lips. But when I just had just the juice only,
Yeah.
it was like not as sour. If
Yeah.
that makes sense.
The green one did have a little sourness into it.
It was like sour spice.
A sour spice kick. Like
Yeah.
right at the very
This
beginning.
one's just like subtle spice.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is what the green one looks like, and it was super spicy.
Yeah.
They were spicy. As you guys saw, I was choking, but that's what this one is. Nice. See, you got the freshness of the noodles also, and the bean sprouts, and the little dried out peas, which they start to hydrate as you have them in the water. If I can grab one.
Yum yum.
Chopsticks are not being my friend right now. There we go. So there you go. That's the green Szechuan green pepper flavor, which was spicy for us. I would say the spicy level on this one would be like a solid 5. The spicy level.
Yeah, 4 or 5.
Yeah. And then I think on this one, on the red pepper, this one would be the spicy level for us. What?
3.
About a 3,
Yeah.
3.5. But this is
At least to me. And I
that's
don't really
good.
like spicy.
Yeah. I think overall, these both are really a go-getter, you guys. So anyway, with that said, this is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! You guys, thank you so very much for watching. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Yeah!
And the notification bell.
And the
Don't forget.
notification bell. Yep, hit that subscribe button. Keep on watching these. We're having a blast giving them to you and sharing this all with you. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And you know what? Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye. You guys. Yay.